aha mwanya ogwa Kikorongo checkpoint bagira ngo emotoka iye namba UBH iganana nemwe B ebireneruga omuri Kasese Island kandi eji Bakwatiirwe ahanshare ya Mpondwe wanyuma iyo kwanga kuraba aha mwanya ogwa Kikorongo main checkpoint ahabo kushanga ngo ebirenemanya echaine.
The vehicle registration number UBH 141B belonging to Mr. Kasese Bahamwit, carrying estimated 5 tons of immature Nairo patch, was found within the vehicle.
Abantu bagira ngo hombwire bwe kikwekweto babasize kwata abantu bana obwa hati abari kugamba kwa no bari bakama bo bwenyanja obuto.
As we intercepted the vehicle, we found out that the vehicle had 4 suspects, and those are the one was the driver of the truck, another one was the transporter of the fish truck, then there is the owner and someone else. So the vehicle had 4 occupants. The 4 suspects are in police custody as we are processing court procedures.
Ogu hayongera dirangu ekigendero eki necho kureba ngo bahigabo kandi babongera mamani abari kushubira ebyenyanja okureba ngo bayejumbira omukwate byenyanja ebikuzire ahamwe no kurinde nyanja amwe no kugira ngo kibahwere okutunga obutare burungi.
Enforcing this in a manner that we are considering what the ministry is requires of us. One, for a business trader to trade in fish must have a business license. This allows the trader to deal in fish and fisheries products. Then a trader must have a fish transporting license for the truck. For the trucker to transport fish, it must be inspected by the ministry, then it's given a license to transport fish.
Oriyo muhwezi ori kurira ebyo bujubi ahabwa Mpondwe Rubihirira Town Council Masereka Festo Mokera nagira ngo banyakwatwa obwa hati bari ahari Mpondwe Custom Police Station and bakwija kwihwa bari kutwara omisho ga koti.
The vehicle was coming from the Kasese Islands. You know, when you are there, they always collect fish from different islands in the Kasese, in Lake Victoria. So they do transport it and they are taking it to Congo, DRC. So like other processes have been done. So after we are done with the inspection, we hand over to the different stakeholders in the procession, especially like they have broken the law. So the law is taking its course. And the law cannot be taken from here. I can't just say it by my mouth. It has to go to courts of law.
Government ekatekaho Fisheries Protection Unit nkomuringo gumwe ubwo kuranisa abantu abari kwejumbira omukujubaho obwenyanja obukiri buto omuze ogwabire gwayeyongera amakuru agagasha kwa Muhindo Gerard hawa Sky TV